Hello, this is Kelly with Ted Lare, and I'm here with Melissa.
Hi guys.
We are going to show you how to plant a perennial. Basic instructions on how to perennial and put a perennial in the ground and how to take care of it and get it in the ground so it'll grow for you.
Okay, great.
Okay, first of all, what I've already done is cleared an area. If you have mulch around, you would want to pull the mulch back from the area so that you can dig easily and you're not pushing the mulch down into the soil or getting dirt on top of the mulch, so that it's easier to kind of fluff back around it and make it look like it's been there all along. So already done that. Now we'll dig the hole, which will only take a few seconds here. So basically what I always try and do is make an area large enough to put all your soil to the side and still not go on top of the mulch.
Okay.
And that way, this has a little bit of rock mixed in it, but it shouldn't hurt the coneflowers at all. We're going to be planting sombrero red coneflower.
Okay.
So, really, I've got the hole basically dug out as long as the rocks stay out of it. Don't keep falling back in.
This isn't normal, right? This is just because we have
this
nice
because we have the
walkway
edging
right
there, yeah.
Yep.
But it will still go. I mean, there's soil down just underneath of this that's actually better and off to the sides, and the roots will find those. So, take it out of the pot, which is very simple. What I did there, though, is put your hand around the stem of the plant and flip it over so you can catch it. It'll usually come out of it. If it doesn't, you can kind of squeeze and tap, and it'll usually come out of it. So, once it's out of the pot, we break up the roots a little bit. This one's really not too bad. Some of them are real bad. Some of them I actually have to take a shovel or whatever and cut it out so that the roots will go away from going in a circle and actually go out into the ground like they're supposed to.
Okay.
Okay, we have a root from the tree over here in the middle. So, okay, so we've got a little bit of area around it.
Yep.
And you want that. You don't want it just barely fitting. Generally speaking, you want to have an area maybe twice the size of it, and that's probably about right for what we have here. So when you're putting the soil back in, be sure and break it up. These are in clods. You want to kind of break them up a bit so that you're getting the air pockets out of there and giving the roots something to reach out and get a hold of.
Okay. Pretty hard for them to do if it's a big old clod of dirt.
Yeah, and it's going to leave air pockets inside it, alongside of it, so it'll dry the roots out as well. So, but usually try and just bust it all up as I go, bring it around, and then kind of compact it into the edges of it so it pushes down. That helps get your air pockets out as well. You want to kind of do that around, push it in close, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Then we'll just take and it's real easy to fluff it back around, all the mulch back around the plant.
Okay.
Which is a very simple process. And bring a little bit more up here. And once we do that, we will need to water it in.
Okay.
I usually like to pull the mulch back on top of it before I water it in, because it just makes it, it'll make it so that the mulch gets held back down by the water again, so that it doesn't blow away the next time the wind blows.
Okay, perfect.
But when you water these back in, all perennial shrubs, everything really, go around it and underneath of the plant itself. Doing this isn't exactly what you want to do.
They don't really need a shower, do they?
No. You just want to get those roots wet and moist, and the ground around it moist, so that it ends up able to reach out. The roots are able to reach out into the soil after that, and the soil will retain that moisture for quite some time underneath the mulch. So I mean, technically, once you water it in, good. You probably won't have to water it in, but a couple of times a week until it's good and established. So that's a simple and easy way of planting a shrub. So I think that's about it.
Perfect. Thanks for showing us today, Kelly. Have a great day, everyone.